Let me get my comment. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're at Annandale. Oh my god, my eye literally looks like bruise. We're at Annandale Waterfall and we're going to go to the waterfall. So right now we're in the mountains, so I'm gonna take you along and see the pretty views. But yeah, I've been down to the waterfall but not in the water, but I can't actually take my phone into it anyway because I don't have a waterproof case anymore. Quite sad, but yeah. Bye.
Okay, bye. We don't have any treats.
Up on the side.
On the side here? I can go.
Just pass.
Mommy, can you hold this, Mommy? Mommy, can I go in the water?
So pretty. No, there he is.
Yeah, I was waiting for it to come back.
One thing I know is I will not be jumping into no waterfall. Crazy. So at the waterfall, people are jumping up here, way up there, and I'm not jumping, but it looks so pretty.
Okay, if this guy jumps, I'll stop.
Oh, he's definitely So right now,
Okay, God. Great.
oh no, Sahara's contemplating whether to jump or not. Guys, she should jump.
No, and I'm gauging it off of if another random man jumps, and he just walked away.
He
So
won't. But these
I'm not jumping.
Look at this. These are jumping. Lightweight, but not for me, and clearly not for Sahara. Yeah, the braids, it's too much.
A few moments later.
So guys, update, Sahara here decided she jumped and she said she had a good time. It was worth it. That's what she said. Yeah, there's a little fall, but it don't matter. It don't matter. But yeah. Yeah, she didn't fall in. She didn't slip in. It was a little because of the steepness, but no, it was actually, it was good. It was good. We had a good time. The water was just like so cold, but like refreshing. So yeah, so that was our little trip to the Annandale Waterfall in Grenada. So if you find yourself in Grenada, you want to go to waterfall, even though there's like loads, but there was a good few waterfalls here, isn't there, anyway, that people can go to. But I think this is like one of the main ones, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
So
The restaurant's pretty good too.
yeah, and there's a restaurant too. Didn't eat though, but yeah, there's a restaurant and bar, and the people are a nice vibe. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.